Welcome to our GROHE workshop. Today I will show you how easy it is to install the GROHE Rapido shower frame in an aluminium frame. Alternatively, the Rapido shower frame can also be affixed to the wall. First, check the contents. The box contains everything you need for installation. Of course, it's always helpful to read the assembly instructions. Here is another overview of the tools you will need. So let's get started. We are installing the frame between two aluminium profiles. First, we prepare the frame for the profile. If a 75mm U-profile is installed, the flanges must be laid down to ensure correct positioning. Now mark the height on the CW profiles at 1.2 meters above the finished shower floor. Then place the bottom part of the frame in the profile and align the frame with its top edge to the marking. Check the alignment with a spirit level and tighten the fixing bolts to keep the frame vertically in place. Next, fix the frame to the floor profile. To do this, mark the bore holes for the floor fastening. Then drill both 10mm holes directly through the U-profile. Insert the dowels. And screw the frame tight. Next, fit the top frame into the lower one. Then tighten the fixing bolts at both sides. Fix the bottom frame on both sides with 4 screws on each side. The self-tapping screws should be inserted in accordance with the measurements from the assembly instructions to avoid having to screw through double the amount of material. Now it's time to adjust the height of the head shower. Loosen the two 13mm bolts at the middle of the frame's inner side. Then extend the top frame according to the customer's requirements. The maximum extension height is 180mm. Use the spirit level for alignment here too. Then tighten the bolts. Affix the frame to the CW profile right and left with 4 metal screws on each side. Observe the measurements from the assembly instructions here as well. The smart box can now be connected to the water supply. The connection should be made in accordance with local conditions. It should be performed by a professional. A leak test of the system has already been performed at the factory. This test must be performed again and noted after installation is complete. Check that the insulation fits properly. After a successful leak test, remove the SmartBox's cover cap. Then loosen the 4 screws of the grey plate. Grab the plate by the strip with pliers and pull it out. Now insert both plugs in the cold and hot water inlets. This step is necessary to prevent the system lines from being subjected to pressure during the construction stage until the final trim. Reinsert the plate and affix it by retightening the screws. Then insert the fleeces into the SmartBox to ensure humid room damp proofing in accordance with DIN. Finally, reinsert the cover cap. Now it's time for the handover. After the frame is installed, there are still a few things left to check. Now the wall can be covered and finished according to the customer's requirements.